how to use Xbox Game Bar on Windows 11. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So let's just see how to use the Xbox Game Bar on Windows 11. So first of all, you have to uh, come to Windows search bar and search for Game Bar, and you have to click on enter. And as you can see, there's an option called controller bar. If you click on that, it expands and minimizes, and you just have to click on here like the widget menu. It says it's the widget menu, and we can see audio capture, game assist, performance, Xbox social, gallery, resources, Xbox achievements, Xbox chat, Xbox looking for group, and you can also click on widget store. And after that, on the other options, we can see the audio option. It says the mix. We can change the audio output, and we can increase or decrease the audio volume from here, from the on the different applications also. And we can also click on voice and change these options from here. So let's close it and see. On if you click on capture, it will open the camera, and if you click on performance, it will show you your CPU, GPU, VRAM, RAM, and FPS from here. And if you click on the game assist from here, it will open the game assist on a web browser. And last of all, it will show you the Xbox social. You can see the friend requests, someone say sent to you and all. And after that, the other options is it says it shows you the time, and you can also enable click through and disable it. And you can also click on settings, and you can see there is the mic option. You can show keyboard the option, compact mode, network mode settings. And if you click on more settings, it says general, widgets, shortcuts, personalization, game features, feedback, and open windows settings. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.